Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best sports bra for running, the Running Girl High Impact Sports Bra for Women. This sports bra is designed specifically for those intense workouts that demand serious support without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're running, jumping, or engaging in a full-body workout, this bra promises to keep everything in place, allowing you to focus fully on your performance. The Running Girl Sports Bra features a racerback design with molded cuffs, offering high-impact support tailored to your needs. Its wide straps and stretch fabric ensure a secure fit while maintaining flexibility, so you move naturally without feeling restricted. The fabric itself is a blend of 75% nylon and 25% spandex, which not only stretches to accommodate your movements but also wicks away moisture to keep you cool and dry throughout your session. One of the standout features is the naked feeling fabric technology. This means it feels like a second skin, soft, breathable, and lightweight, so comfortable that you might forget you're even wearing a sports bra. It maintains its shape and color even after multiple washes, making it a durable choice for everyday wear and frequent use. The design includes a long line cut that extends further down the torso, offering additional support and coverage. This helps to reduce bounce and increases overall stability during vigorous activities. The pull-on closure eliminates the hassle of clasps, making it easy to wear and remove while still providing a snug fit. Beyond functionality, the Running Girl High Impact Sports Bra also scores high on style. Available in a variety of colors, it pairs seamlessly with workout tops or can be worn alone. The racerback cut and subtle back detailing give it a modern, sporty look that transitions well from gym sessions to casual wear. Care is simple too. This bra is machine washable, which means you can keep it fresh without any special handling. Its imported quality assures you're getting a product that has passed rigorous standards. In summary, the Running Girl High Impact Sports Bra stands out as an excellent choice for runners and athletes who require a reliable, supportive, and comfortable bra for high-intensity workouts. Its thoughtful construction, combined with advanced fabric technology, makes it a practical addition to any active wardrobe. If you're looking for a sports bra that truly delivers on performance and style, this one is worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there.